Hello students, welcome to all. Today in this video I am going to explain you what is the lowest common multiple, LCM. So in previous video we talk highest common factor, HCF. I hope you understand. Then let finish your exercise. I give exercise for some homework also. So today in this video we will discuss lowest common multiple, LCM. So what is LCM? So the lowest common multiple, LCM, of two or more given numbers. Two or more given numbers. Here I am taking two numbers. Is the lowest of their common multiple. Lowest of the common multiple. Okay. So what is common multiple? We know common factor, we know common multiple. So how to find out the lowest common multiple? So through this video I am going to explain you, listen carefully. So you know how to find the factors of given number. So first I am going to find out the factors of 12 and 18. The factor should be prime number. I already told you the factor always should be prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7 like this. Okay. So first let me find the factors of 12 and 18. So 12, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So again we want to divide by 6. So again we can divide by 2. 3 2s are 6. So 3 we can divide again. 3 1s are 3. So this is the factors of 12. So we can take and write here 2 into 3. This is the prime factors of 12. Now let me find out the factors of 18. So 9 2s are 18. We can divide by 9. 9 times we can divide. 9 2s are 18. Now we can divide by 3 because 2 we can't divide. If you divide by 2 you will get some remainder. So 3 we can divide. 3 3s are 9. So again we can divide. 3 1s are 3. So we can take this side only. So I will take and write here 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the factors of 12. This is the factors of 18. Now we want to take which is the highest repeated prime numbers. Listen carefully. Which factor repeated more? Means 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. If you see in this first prime factor, 2 is repeated 2 times, but 3 one time, only one time repeat, only one time, but 2 repeated 2 times. So this is the highest repeated. It means the 2 is repeated more times compared than 3. So we can take this 2 times, no? So take 2 times, 2 into 2. Okay. This over. So we take the factors which is repeated more times compared than other factors. Here only two factors, 2 and 3. The 2 repeat 2 times, but in 3 only 1 times. So this is the highest time repeated. So we can take outside. Now we can take here. If you see here, 3 repeated 2 times, but here 2 only 1 times. So we can take 2 times 3. 3 into 3. Okay. So we collect the prime factors. Which factor repeated more times compared than other factors? Here 2 repeated 2 times. Here 3 repeated 2 times. So I take 2 times, 3 2 times. Okay, that's it. Now we want to multiply these. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the lowest common multiple. LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. So this is the lowest common multiple of 12 and 18. So again I will tell you, first you need to find out the factors. The factor should be prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like this. Then after once you find the factors, you collect and write all the factors. This is the 12th factor, this is the 18th factor. Which factor repeated more time compared to other factor? Here only 2 factors are there, 2 and 3, but 2 repeated 2 times compared to 3. 3 repeat 1 time, but 2 repeat 2 times. So which is highest time repeated? 2. So take and write 2 times 2. Then if you see the 18th factors, here 3 repeated 2 times compared to this 2. 2 repeated 1 time, but 3 repeated 2 times. So this is the highest time repeat. So take and write 2, 3 downside. Then multiply all the factors, you will get some product. That is the lowest common multiple of given numbers. Okay. Let me take another example to find the LCM of 24 and 90. So least common multiple, LCM means I already told you. So before we talk some example, then again let me take another example. So we need to find out the least common multiple of 24 and 90. So first we have to find the factors, prime factors of 24 and 90. Then after I will tell you how to find out the least common multiple, so lowest common multiple. We can say least common multiple also. So let me tell you 24. So we can divide by 2 because 2 12s are 24. Again we can divide by 2, 6 2s are 12. Again we can divide by 2, 3 2s are 6. Then again we can divide by 3, 3 1s are 3. So if you collect and write the factors of 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the prime factors of 24. Let me find out the factors of 90. So let me divide by 3 because it is divisible by 3, no? So 3 30s are 90. Again we can divide by 3. So 3 10s are 30. Now we can divide by 2. 5 2s are 10. Now we can divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. So let me calculate the factors only this side. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Now listen carefully. We know how to find out the factors, prime factors, but we want to compare which factors repeat more times. That is very important. So first take 2. It's a small number. Compare that this 2, 3, 5. So 3 types of factors are there. 2, 3, 5 as per the ascending order. So let me check how many 2's are there and which is the repeated more times. So if you see in this case the 2 repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. But here if you see only 1 time repeated. 2 is repeated 3 times. Here only 1 times. Listen carefully. Here 2 repeated 3 times, but here repeated only 1 times, which is the highest repeated. So 3 times repeated is the highest repeated. So we can take 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then another big number 3. No. Here 3 only 1 time. Here 2 times. Here only 1 time 3 is there. Only 1 time repeated. But here 2 times repeated. So which is the highest repeated time? 2 is the highest repeated time. So we can take this to 3. 2 times, no? So 3 into 3. Okay. Now next, what is another factor? 5, no? But here there is no 5. So here only 1 time repeated. So compare them 0. 1 is the highest repeated time. So we can take 1 time. So we find the all the factors which is the highest time repeated factors. Now we want to multiply all the factors. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3, 24 into 3, 72. Okay, then 72 into 5, 72 into 5, 360. If you feel difficulty, you just multiply this out rough one. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3, 72, 72 into 5, 360. So 360 is the LCM of 24 and 90. So 360 is the answer. So I hope you understand. So you can find easily the factors, but the comparison, that's a very important. Compare the two prime factors. First take small number. Here 2 is the very small number. So here only one time repeated. Here 3 times repeated. So this is the highest time. So I take 3 2s separately. 2 into 2 into 2. Then next another big number 3. Here 2 times, here 1 times. So this is the highest time repeated. So I took the 2 3s 3 at 2 times. 3 in 2 times. So 3 into 3. Then 5. Here 1 times, here 0 times. So this is the highest time repeated, no? So we can take 5 also. If you multiply this all the prime factors, you will get the LCM, lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Okay.